Hey folks, have you ever wished your voice assistant sounded a little more human, maybe could carry the nuance of a real conversation? Amazon sure has, and they've been cooking up something big. Meet Amazon's Nova Sonic, the latest AI model that's got everyone talking, quite literally. In this video, we'll break down what Nova Sonic is, what makes it special, and why it's the new buzzword in AI circles. So, what is Nova Sonic? In a nutshell, it's a speech-to-speech AI model for conversational AI. SDTIMES, That means it takes in spoken words and produces spoken responses, but here's the kicker, it does this with one unified model. Traditionally, voice AI systems like Siri or Alexa use one system to convert your speech to text, speech recognition, and another to generate a voice reply, text to speech. Nova Sonic throws that old playbook out. It listens and speaks as one cohesive AI, which allows it to do some pretty impressive things with the sound of the conversation. Imagine talking to an AI that doesn't just reply with a flat, robotic voice, but actually matches the rhythm and tone of your voice. Amazon claims Nova Sonic can do exactly that. It dynamically adjusts its responses based on how you speak to it. SDTIMES, If you ask a question slowly and calmly, Nova Sonic might respond in a measured, gentle tone. If you're excited and speaking quickly, it might pick up the pace and energy in its reply. This ability to adapt prosody, which is the pitch, pace, and emphasis in speech, makes interactions feel much more natural. In a demo, observers noted that Nova Sonic's reply changed its timbre and tempo to mirror the user's input, which is something current voice assistants don't really do well. This topic is trending because it represents a leap forward in how AI handles voice. One model doing both listening and talking means it can carry context in a more fluid way. According to Amazon, combining the two steps allows Nova Sonic to dynamically adjust its delivery based on the prosody of input speech. SDTIMES, Essentially, it hears not just what you say, but how you say it, and it uses that information to craft a more fitting response tone. Think about applications. In customer service bots, a frustrated caller could be met with a genuinely soothing, empathetic tone from an AI agent. Or in language learning apps, an AI could speak to you mimicking a native speaker's cadence, then listen to you and gently correct your pronunciation in a matching tone. The possibilities have people really excited. Now, Amazon has positioned Nova Sonic as part of its Nova family of AI models, and specifically, this one is built for conversation. It was a surprise reveal. Many were expecting updates on Alexa's AI or new Echo devices, but instead Amazon gave us a peek into the AI brain that might power those future devices. The reason it's called speech-to-speech is because, unlike something like ChatGPT, which is text-based, Nova Sonic's input and output are both spoken audio. It's like a translator for conversations. You speak in, it thinks in between, and speaks out, no intermediate text needed. Another aspect fueling discussion is how Nova Sonic might handle different voices and languages. A unified speech model could, in theory, listen in one language and respond in another, in a voice that sounds appropriate or even familiar. Imagine hearing a translation in a voice that's modeled to sound like your own. Just speaking another language. That's something people speculate could be possible down the line with this tech. It's a bit speculative, but that's the level of buzz we're talking about. Of course, with any advanced voice cloning or generation tech, there come questions about ethical use. If an AI can sound very human and even adjust to mimic someone's tone, how do we ensure it's not used to impersonate people or deceive? These questions are trending alongside the tech news. Folks are asking if Amazon will put clear watermarks or signals when Nova Sonic is speaking, so you know it's an AI. Amazon hasn't fully detailed that yet, but given industry trends, they likely have considered it, especially since AI-generated voices have raised concerns in music and media recently. Let's not forget the name Nova Sonic. It's a pretty cool name that evokes new sound, and fittingly, it might usher in a new standard for AI voices. In online communities, some are already joking. Alexa's going to need a serious upgrade to keep up with Nova Sonic. We don't know Amazon's exact plans, but it wouldn't be shocking if a future Alexa or Echo device uses Nova Sonic to have more lifelike chats with users. Summing up, Amazon's Nova Sonic is trending because it promises a big step towards more natural, human-like AI communication. It merges listening and speaking into one model, giving it the ability to respond with the right tone and pacing. SDTIMES, a nuance that current voice AIs mostly lack. As voice assistants and AI voices become part of daily life, Improvements like this stand out and capture our imagination. If you're excited about talking to AI that doesn't sound like a robot from 2010, you're not alone. Nova Sonic suggests a future where conversing with an AI could feel as comfortable as talking to a friend. It's innovations like these that remind us the AI field isn't just about text and images, it's also about sound, about conversation. That's all for this breakdown of Amazon's Nova Sonic. If you found this interesting, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more cutting-edge AI updates. What would you use a supernatural-sounding AI voice for? Language practice, an AI friend, maybe dubbing your videos? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for listening, or should I say, stay tuned, and we'll catch you in the next one.